Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect WhatsApp to ManyChat. All right. So the first time you signed up for ManyChat, you'll be able to see this page. So the first option right here in connecting WhatsApp is just by clicking on WhatsApp. Okay. You'll be able to connect to WhatsApp as well when you go ahead and go to your settings. But before that, we would need to purchase the Pro version, as WhatsApp right here needs the Pro version. So again, for settings, right here in the left panel, click on it. Under channels, we have WhatsApp. Make sure again that you have the Pro feature, and then just click on connect. So just click on connect and you'll be able to see these three options. Okay. You can go ahead and transfer your own WhatsApp number. As it states here, disconnect an existing WhatsApp account and transfer your WhatsApp number to ManyChat. Or you got to connect your WhatsApp number with coexistence. So you would connect your existing WhatsApp business app number, again, WhatsApp business app, to where? To your ManyChat and access benefits of both apps. So you have to make sure first that you have converted your regular account to a business account. And then once that's done, just click on continue, and then it will ask you to log in with Meta. So what you're going to do is go ahead and connect to your Meta account, hit on get started. You'd go ahead and select your business portfolio, something like that. And lastly, you would go ahead and add in your number and you'll receive a verification code. Okay. Enter that code in this section. And once done, hit on next. And after that, you're good to go. And that is how you connect WhatsApp to ManyChat. Well, I hope this video helps it. I'll see you in the next one.